Welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So, Sunday again, gorgeous day here at the Oasis. Mid to low 90s. Weather's perfect for swimming. We have friends coming over. Friend's birthday, and he loves tri-tips. So we're gonna do tri-tips again. Which, hey, who doesn't love tri-tips? We got a lot of people coming over. We're gonna do 3 tri-tips. We're doing them all the same way. You've seen us do it before. Red wine, garlic, marinate it for 12 to 16 hours. Pull it out, get that Cattleman's Grill's tri-tip on it, get it on the smoker for 275 until it reaches an internal of 130. Right? We've done it before, you've seen it. Well, remember, we just got that new Ninja Woodfire. So we're gonna do 2 of them on our Yoder's YS640, and we're gonna do 1 on the new Ninja Woodfire. We'll do a comparison and see how it turns out. As far as smoky, as far as tenderness, great idea to do a comparison. So let's go ahead and get started. So, got 3 good tri-tips. Nice marbling on these. Been sitting in that wine. Lots of garlic on them. That's good. Awesome. Don't look too bad. I'm gonna give them a little spray of avocado oil as a binder, and we'll get the California tri-tip on there, and then we'll get them out to the smoker. When you're getting that rub on, don't forget to get the edges. All right, that looks great. Let's head out to the smoker. All right, we're out here at our Yoder's YS640. I'm running at 275 degrees, like I did on the other video. I'm running with competition pellets. We're gonna take 2 of these tri-tips and smoke them up on the upper rack. Now for this third one, let's head over to the Ninja. All right, we're here at the Ninja Woodfire Pro. We're gonna put the tri-tip in again, same as the Yoder. It's set it at 275. Get the probe in there. Set it so that it cooks until it gets an internal temperature of 130, which is the magic number we're looking for. And then we'll let it rest while it's in there, just like we did with that pork shoulder. It turned out amazing. I think this is gonna turn out amazing too. But we won't know until we get it in there. So let's go. If you're wondering, right, plenty of room for this tri-tip in here. If you're curious if it's, you know, too small of a unit or whatever, got the probe in right in the middle. Get that plugged in. There we go. We're smoking with the robust blend today. Set it at smoke, 275. The target temperature of 130. Off we go. Igniting. It's going to ignite those pellets so it gets smoking, and then it'll just carry on until it hits 130. So like the pork shoulder, I'm not going to look at this again until the very end, so you'll find out the same time that I do. I'll see you then. All right, the tri-tip in the Ninja Woodfire is hit 130 internal. It's turned itself off. I don't know if you can read that, but it says get food. So we're gonna pull that out, set it in the kitchen, let it rest for a little bit, and then we'll do a side-by-side comparison between this one and the ones that were done in our Yoder. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. Ooh. Very nice crust on that, that's for sure. All right, let's get back in the kitchen. All right, plenty of time to rest. On the right, I have the tri-tip from the Yoder smoker, on the left from the Woodfire. Let's take a look. As always, perfect. Nice. Tender. Easy to cut. Let's take a look at the Woodfire. Definitely more crust on this. All right, so Yoder,
okay,
and Woodfire. Let's try the Yoders. As always, tender. The wine, smoke flavor, and wonderful California tri-tip. Perfect. And now for the wood fire. A little more. Actually, that might have more smoke flavor than the one from the Yoder. Wow, that's really good. So, absolutely, the tri-tip, thumbs up on that wood fire. Hey, if you liked what you saw today, hit that thumbs button, give us a like. Leave a comment, tell me what you think of either our tri-tip, how you do your tri-tip, or maybe the Ninja Woodfire Pro. Maybe you have one. Let me know what you're cooking on it. Hit that subscribe button and you'll always know when we put out new videos. So until next time, we'll see you at the Galley of the Sun.